How to calculate cumulative lead time for logistics. Have you ever wondered how long it really takes to get a product from the moment you place an order to when it arrives at your doorstep? Understanding cumulative lead time in logistics is key to answering that question. It involves the total time required for every step in the supply chain process. This includes ordering, manufacturing, inventory handling, and transportation. To calculate cumulative lead time, you need to follow a few straightforward steps. First, identify all the stages involved in fulfilling an order. This typically includes order processing time, procurement lead time, manufacturing or assembly lead time, inventory handling time, and transportation and delivery time. Next, determine the lead time for each of these stages. Lead time is simply the duration from the start to the completion of that stage. For instance, if it takes 2 days to process an order, that's your order processing lead time. When it comes to manufacturing or assembly, you will want to use the bill of materials to identify all components and their respective lead times. This is important because you need to add the longest lead time among the components to the manufacturing lead time of the final product. This step ensures that you account for any dependencies in the production process. Now, sum the lead times of all sequential stages along the critical path. The critical path is the longest chain of dependent activities that determines the shortest possible completion time. By focusing on this path, you can get a realistic picture of how long it will take to fulfill the order. The total cumulative lead time is simply the sum of these individual lead times. This total represents the overall time required to fulfill the order from start to finish, assuming no inventory buffers are in place. Understanding cumulative lead time is essential for effective supply chain management. It helps in planning production schedules and inventory levels to meet customer demand on time. It also allows companies to identify bottlenecks or delays in the supply chain that could extend delivery times. For example, if raw material procurement takes 10 days, manufacturing takes 15 days, and shipping takes 5 days, the cumulative lead time would be 10 plus 15 plus 5, which equals 30 days. If there are components within manufacturing that have different lead times, remember to include the longest component lead time plus the final assembly time in your calculations. In the world of logistics, knowing how to calculate cumulative lead time can greatly improve coordination between suppliers, manufacturers, and logistics providers. It also helps reduce costs associated with excess inventory or expedited shipping by optimizing lead times. So, the next time you place an order, you will have a better understanding of how long it will truly take to receive your product.